Okay, out with Ellie, and I have the E-M1 Mark III with the 14-150 kit lens, and we're going to try and get a picture of that. I've been trying to use my 12-40 Pro, and it's been really flaky. I don't know, some of you might remember I left it out in a snowstorm and it got full of ice inside the lens. And it was working sometimes, and then sometimes, you know, I would put it on and it would just say check lens status, and the camera wouldn't recognize the lens. Ellie always takes the lead. She's the alpha dog. I'm just following her. I could have parked down here. Dang. Well, this is not a bad spot right here just to get a picture of these rocks. I drove 4 hours just to get one picture. I'll take some more pictures, but really, there are people that do that, right? They drive for hours or hike for miles and miles. Just get one picture. So I think what I'll do is I'll do a handheld high-res shot, and then I'll frame it with the trees here in the foreground, and then maybe frame it a little higher and see what comes out. And I think what I'll do is, yeah, just handheld high-res is good enough. I'm just using the kit lens, so I don't see the point of using a tripod high-res shot mode. Every time it goes to take the shot, I lean forward a little. Like I got an inner ear problem or something. Of course, Ellie tugging on me doesn't help. 15 seconds feels like a lifetime sometimes. All right, we'll try one more time. Poison ivy crossing the path here. All right, man, I'm gonna have to really scrub tonight. I like this right here, the way the tree is framing the rocks. I wonder if I can make that work. Let's try it. Ellie, don't eat the poison ivy. I'll just double check the map. Oh, there's an echo in here. So I need to go back that way a little bit and take the trail down. Okay, that'll work. We'll just go that way. Whew. It's pretty. I'll get a shot of that on the way back. You know, I thought I could like book a hotel room for tonight, but there's no internet access anywhere within 100 miles, it feels like. I don't know where I'm going to stay tonight. Maybe just go to a rest area and sleep in the car. Does this trail eventually go up to the top, or?
Yes, it does.
Okay.
It's a nice little haul, but once you get up there, it's worth it.
Okay, good. Don't go near her. She's a little unpredictable. Yeah.
Too pretty.
Thanks. This goes all the way up to the top. So I guess we're going to see the balcony, but supposedly it's worth it. I almost walked off that cliff. Oh my God. That's rough. I'm looking at the scenery over there, and then it just drops off. I'm starting to see a clearing. So we might be near the top. It's actually not a difficult trail, it's just kind of steep. And I'm out of shape. Oh man, is it much further?
A little ways. Yeah, about 5 foot, yeah, probably.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little ways.
You got a little ways.
All right.
Yeah.
I don't know, guys. If I wasn't doing a video, I'd have probably walked back by now. But I'm gonna try and do it for you guys. Wow. Look at that. Huh. All right, the last guy I talked to said 2 more turns and straight this way. So I finished the 2 turns and now I'm going straight. If there's another turn up here, I might have to stop. I'm gonna turn off the camera to save the battery. It's further than I thought. I think we made it. I see the balcony there, right up there. All right. Come here, baby. Whoa. Oh my God. Holy crap. This is scary. I don't think Ellie. Holy crap. I gotta put Ellie somewhere safe. Let's put you in over here on the shade. Ooh. Wow. Hopefully nope. I'll be all right. I'm not gonna jump. Ooh. Okay, let's try and get a couple shots. There's the river down there. Oh, this makes me dizzy standing here. Huh. All right, we're definitely gonna have to do pano, like take several shots and stitch them back together and post later. Let's get out of high-res shot mode. I mean, it's when you have so much atmosphere, you know, problems like all this haze, high-res shot is just wasted on that. All right. We do several verticals. Let's do that. And I'm just going to rotate it on my thumb, you know, right at about the nodal point. Works well enough. Software will do the rest. And level. Good. Let me dial in. I'm going to dial in -1 stop EV because the sky is so bright. And then I'm going to take one shot with 2 fingers in front. And the focus point will go in between my 2 fingers. But then when I go into post-processing, I'll know where my panel starts. And then I'll do that again at the end. So this will be my starting frame. And oh, this is tricky. Maybe we'll do it this way. Yeah, this is easier. Okay, good. Now level. I'm using the level meters, and I'm going to set the focus point down right at the base, and that's the first one. We'll go over about 1/3. Level, take the second one. Go over about 1/3. Level, take this next one. Go over about 1/3. Level, next one. And then go over about 1/3. Level. All right, and then we'll just do one more at the end here. Decided to take a turn and see. You can actually hike up this trail and go on top of the rocks. But yeah, I'm not doing that. The balcony was bad enough. I'm a little scared of heights. Somebody there in a hammock. I think I can get a picture of this reflection here. This will be a kind of a cool shot. Let's try that. Now that it's golden hour, maybe this will be a nicer shot. Let's get a picture real quick before the sun or the light changes on us.